Students, I hope everybody is keeping fine. And beta, today we are going to start with the switch. What is a switch? We are seeing all around beta in our room. Here switches are there, and they are of two types. First of all, switch is used to on or off the electric circuit. They are of two types. Single pole switch that here you are seeing. We can make it on or off, and it will disconnect, but a single pole switch will disconnect only the live wire. And second category is double pole switch, which is near the meter. Beta main switch is there, which serves as the purpose of double pole switch, and it can disconnect both the live wire as well as the neutral wire simultaneously. इकट्ठा ही उनको डिस्कनेक्ट करता है बच्चे. Then after that is our topic is कि why the switch should always be connected in the live wire. Now these two diagrams are there beta. Switch is connected in the live wire. This diagram is when the switch is on, and this diagram is when the switch is off. Now when the switch is on beta, you see circuit is complete. Through live wire current is flowing up to the appliance, then this through the neutral wire current is going back. So when switch will be on, appliance will glow, bulb will glow, appliance will work because circuit is complete. But when the switch will be off, then what will happen बच्चे? Both the live and neutral wire, they will be at the same potential, they will be at the zero potential. So the appliance, because current is here, circuit is broken, switch is off, circuit is not complete, so the current will not reach up to the appliance, so it will not glow, it will not work. After that, why the switch should not be connected in the neutral wire? Suppose that by mistake it is connected in the neutral wire, then what will happen bache? If the switch is connected in the neutral wire, then you see here switch is on, our appliance is connected with the live wire, so circuit is complete and bulb will glow. But when the switch will be off, we will think that any repair, suppose that any repair work is going on, or we want to change this one, we will think that no problem, switch is off. Switch off है तो we can touch that appliance, we can do the work here safely, but it will not be safe beta. What is its reason? Switch is off, but your appliance is still connected with the live wire. So if you will touch that appliance, what can happen? You may get a fatal shock. बहुत जोर से झटका लगेगा, and even our life may also be in danger. So that is the reason switch should not be connected in the neutral wire. It must always be connected in the live wire.
Start.
Then beta, this is the local earthing which is done near the kWh meter. For that beta, a big pit or big hole is dug in the ground. एक बड़ा सा गड्ढा खोदा जाता है. Then in that one you see one thick copper plate is there, with which that you are seeing this is the thick copper wire which is covered by the insulating pipe. Then it is connected with the earth, which is that connection is at the kWh meter. Through this hole, this wire is passing, covered by the hollow insulating pipe. This is our ground level. Then beta, this copper wire is connected with the earth wire at the kWh meter. Then you see around the plate beta, a mixture of charcoal and salt is sprinkled. Why this mixture of charcoal and salt is sprinkled? because it will give the good earth connection. Suppose that heavy current flows in the circuit beta, then what will happen? Through this earth wire, that current will flows to the earth and our circuit will get sealed. And for that we have to, through this pipe we have to send some water time to time, because water will form the good earth connection, so that our ground may this become damp, which will give the good earth connection, and the current will flow to the earth in a nice way, in a swift way. Then after that beta, next is the some appliances are there that we are handling physically. Physically means जिनको हम अपने हाथ से हैंडल करते हैं, तो that appliances should must also be earthed. उनकी भी earthing होनी चाहिए, because earthing is the safety device. If heavy current will be there, that current will flows to the earth. For that beta, we know that a fuse will be there, switch will be there, which are attached with the live wire. Then with that metallic case beta of the that appliance, one terminal they have given. With that terminal we are connecting the earth wire. Then beta, where this earth connection is made, most of the appliances are painted, and paint act as an insulator. So before giving the earth connection, from that place we have to remove the paint, so that connection may be done safely. Then suppose that any fault is there beta in the circuit, you are handling that appliance. जहाँ ऐसे आप सोच लो कि जो appliance बेटा जो वायर होती है, लाइव वायर होती है, उसकी इंसुलेशन जो है रिमूव हो गई है, आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग हम उसको बार बार यूज कर रहे हैं appliance को, जो लाइव वायर उसके साथ अटैच है उसकी इंसुलेशन रिमूव हो जाएगी, तो क्या होएगा? when that live wire will just touch the appliance, will touch the that part of the appliance, will touch the metallic body of the appliance, then that appliance will acquire the supply voltage beta, and we are physically handling it, we are touching it. If we will touch that appliance, we will get a shock. So for that purpose beta, that earthing must be there, because when that appliance will acquire the heavy potential, high potential, then that potential will move to the earth if earthing is